advice. I know exactly how to build my treehouse.
Leo, sweetie, if you don't listen to the instructions, might not be safe.
It'll be fine. Watch me build the biggest, coolest fort ever by myself. Ouch! Why won't these boards just stay straight? This is impossible. Wait, what was that sound? Did that giant oak tree just sigh?
The wind only speaks to those who pause, young builder.
Whoa! You're talking. Are you a magic tree?
I am a tree that listens. But you, Leo, rush past every word like a wild storm.
I don't need to listen. I need to build. But my wood keeps falling apart.
Strength is built from the ground up, not from the loudest shout. Listen to the wind's direction.
The wind is blowing from the east. Oh, if I place the support beams on this side, it stands.
See what opens up when you quiet your mind and simply listen?
Hey, do you hear that? It sounds like a faint whimpering near the old creek.
A small puppy is trapped beneath the fallen branches. Only a quiet listener could hear its cries.
Hold on, little pup! I'm coming to get you out! I found him! Mom, look! I listened closely and found this lost puppy by the creek.
I am so proud of you for paying attention and doing something so kind.
Thank you, wise tree. From now on, I promise to keep my ears wide open.